Hello guys, my name is Rob and today I'm going to show you how I made a copy of the original air filter cover for the Nashorn, which is the same as for the Hummel. We were lucky to have been granted access to the Samour Hummel.
Today I'm going to try to make the flat pattern for the cover for the air filters in the back of the Nashorn. This is one part. And this is a smaller part that's on top of it. And then hopefully tomorrow I can go to the brake press to get everything set in the correct angles and then tack weld it together.
If you have any questions on the project, ask them in the comment section and I will try to answer them ASAP. After scraping the parts on the steel sheet, I can cut it out with the grinder. I do have a plasma cutter, but I had to take it back to the shop for repair. It's already been repaired, but still need to pick it up. Some of you also asked why I'm working on the ground all the time. That's because last March the whole workshop burned to the ground, and since it has been waiting for the insurance and now for the new building to be built. But recently we got offered space in another building. Still we have our own space. Still need to clear that building and get it ready to use. Till then it's on the ground. After the parts were cut out I cleaned them and then I went to a friend's brake press for bending the parts in shape. I have no footage of the tack welding and later after fitting the finish welding, since one of the other guys did this job. And I must say, for an accountant he did a very fine job. In the last pictures you can see the tack welded part, which already has been installed. If you are interested in following and helping the project, please subscribe and click the notification bell. Thanks for watching.